We are in Waimea Falls, and we are going to walk up to the waterfalls.
Yeah, if it wasn't with Bentley,
This invasive plant's taking over this tree. It looks like a little wall.
Sunroom. I'm like, can someone live here? I was like trying to. It's all screens. I'm like, dude, I will live here. I'll pay more rent than any of you guys want me to move in.
This is cool how it fits. Taking that overhang, so you put the sheet, the wall.
Oh, we're walking up to Waimea Falls, and there's so many different trees. This looks like a bush that's super tall, right? Those big leaves. And this is the same. And then over here, how great thou art, then save my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Amen. Amen. Praise Jesus. Still walking through Waimea Falls. Spectacular trees. So pretty. Almost at the falls. So there's the waterfall. We got that big netting, huge netting, so that stuff doesn't fall down on the people. And the falls are right over there. That's where we're headed. Look at this plant, these are so cool. Huge patch of ginger plants. Look at that. That is amazing.
Taking a bath.
That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. Here is a gigantic tree. Until you see how far the limbs go out.
Picture of these trees. This whole thing is 2 trees.
Massive branches. It's going and going and